How to do Block Blast glitch. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to get infinite move glitch, some users report that when you quickly tap multiple blocks in succession, the game does not register all the moves, allowing you to get extra moves without using any steps. So here's how you can select your moves, but instead of tapping one block at a time, tap on the multiple blocks quickly in a sequence. The game might not count some of your taps, giving you more than displayed note. This glitch is inconsistent and might be patched in future updates. To undo move tricks after making a mistake you cannot exploit the undo system by closing and reopening the app before the game auto-saves your moves. Make a wrong move or one you don't want immediately. You can also try closing the app before the move is registered and reopening the app. You may find that your last move is undone when you do this. These glitches may not work on all devices or game versions, and the developers could fix them in future updates, and these are only working as of now. So this is how you can do Block Blast glitch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.